Hello, this is Booby16 and today I'm just going to show you my cat. My recording area of amazingness. 1 second. Just let me have to find my cat. It's going to be hard. She's always hiding somewhere. Today we're in the Amazon jungle looking for my cat. No cat in here. Where could that cat be? Boo Boo. That's my cat's name. Boo Boo, where are you? Ooh, she may be out here. Let's turn on the flashlights. Boo Boo. Boo Boo. No cat here. Let's keep on looking. Boo Boo! Boo Boo! Where are you?
What about this?
Boo Boo! I don't think she's in there.
No?
The camera's really fuzzy, but we must find Boo. 1 second, let me just put it into focus. Boo Boo, where are you? Boo Boo! Baby! Where is she? We must find the cat. Boo Boo. Boo. Boo Boo baby. Where is that cat? We must find her. Boo Boo. Sorry, my cat's being a really big, annoying little kitty cat. So I'm going to call her with the treats. Boo Boo, you want a treat? Boo Boo, you want a treat? Boo Boo. Oh, I hear her bell. Let's go. Boo Boo. Oh, there she is. Oh, say hello. Say hello. No, come. No, you're fine. You're fine. See, it's the mystical cat. Look how mystical she is. Look at her. Say hi. Say hi to the viewers. Say hi. No, come here. Come here. Keep the chain locked on her. No, she went behind the bed. Come on, let's go call her out. Let's go get the treats. And call the cat. Boo Boo, you want a treat? Boo Boo. Boo Boo, come get a treat. Boo Boo, come get a treat. Boo Boo. Boo Boo. Boo Boo, you want a treat? Boo Boo. Here, let me grab some treats real quick. And then we'll go and meet her. We'll meet the kitty cat. The dangerous tiger. There she is. There she is. Hey. Hey, baby. Treat. 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 Look at her. Look at her. Look how adorable she is. This is Boo Boo. Boo Boo, say hi. Come here. Come here. She doesn't like, she's really really feisty right now. Come here. Oh, dumb cat. Come here. Well, that was my cat. She's being really annoying right now, so bye.